It's a good idea to have a dash cam, so I went out and bought one. So today I'm going to be mounting this dash cam onto the Jeep. The Garmin Dash Cam 46. It's only 120 bucks. Comes with the camera, the wires, a longer set of wires, the standard USB adapter for the 12 volts, magnetic that mounts on the windshield, and instructions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this wire into and tap it off probably the rear view mirror. I found this adapter, this 12 volt socket, so this can go in here. I think this will fit into that compartment. Okay, there's a double-sided tape. You just basically peel and stick. This big box over here, adaptive cruise control, I believe, but it also has this mirror which I plan to tap the power. We're going to open this up and see how much space we have. An adapter in there, because that adapter is pretty big. I believe the bottom just peels out like this. Yep, clips off. Difficult to pull, do it with one hand, but yeah, it pulls forward. There it is. So that's the pin. And I think this mirror, I think you can take this off. Let me see. Yeah, there it is. Up there's the power wire to the mirror. I think this connector, to take this off, I think basically this connector just popped out of the clip here. There, the 12 volt. Pull that apart. See if it fits. So here's the Garmin. Here's that connector. And putting it in here with the 12 volt to USB adapter. And putting it in here. It does fit. And that would slide right in. So I talked about option 1 where we were going to put a connector in here, but option number 2, which is break this apart, and all you need to do is just use a pair of pliers. Squeeze there, squeeze here, and it separates the glue. So what happened is when you pull this apart, right, so it comes out, there it is. I could solder this out and just put a positive and a negative wire. First thing we want to do is pull this positive end first. So we'll remove that spring and we'll use a positive wire on there instead, a red wire. So what we're doing is removing the side spring. Very gentle. There it is. So it's out. BEC connectors. Well, this will connect to the power coming into 12 volt. This will connect to here. So we're going to solder this to this Garmin board. Doing it this way to make it easier to see. You can see there. So we have positive and negative now. Shrink wrapping, so I'm just going to electrical tape it. That's pretty well wrapped up. Yep, so there it is. That's what it's going to look like. I am going to cover it with some copper-based tape. Next, we're going to run the camera power wire. So I'm going to run this up to here, out to here first, and then eventually go out that way. Difficult, but we did it in a two-step process there. So we have it coming out of here now, and now we'll put this through this way to come out the front. There it is. Okay. So there's the camera, there's the wire, and now we just need to adapt this power to here, which is looks like a red and with a yellow stripe, or pink with yellow stripe, not the orange. It's the one that's closest to the left side. This pin here, that wire. We have these quick connect. There are better types out there. This is the cheaper one, but they work. I'd rather use better ones, but unfortunately it's already late. I encrypted this wire in, right? And I just did a quick test with the voltmeter, checking that the turned on the ignition. So it does energize this module. together. And then just there we go. What is in here? Nylon lock nut, just to make sure it doesn't come loose. There, it just turned on. We tested it and it works. We're gonna just put everything back together. I just wanna take this over. This goes here. Where it was. I think I should have bent it a little bit more, but I'm going to keep this over here. Right on there. Everything's hidden in there. Now we can put this on. Pop snaps in first, and then the bottom. All right.